Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Mira with this look from Kpop Demon Hunter and Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit. First of all guys, for the hairstyle, you can choose 3 hairstyles. This one, and also this one. And then you're going to color it pink. Okay, for this one, you're going to choose only bangs and make it pink. Okay, this pink color, and then this one you're going to remove the bangs and make it pink. And then this hairstyle, this is from the Madoka set, and you're going to make it stiff and remove the bangs and bows, and you're going to make it pink and put on this earring. And then this t-shirt, you're going to make it black and then apply this pattern. Okay, and this necklace, you're going to make it this color. And then this boot, this is from the VIP room, and you're going to choose only boots and you're going to color it like this. And then you're going to put on this necklace, just make it black. Okay, and the next one guys, I'm going to go to the VIP room. Wait, from here I'm going to choose this item. Okay, just leave it like that, and then I'm going to put on this skirt. And for the skirt, I'm going to make it this gold color. Okay, and I'm going to change the material. Wait, for the material, I'm going to make it matte for the first selection until the third selection. Alright, and then I'm going to select this item, this one. I'm going to remove the fur and make it black. Okay, done. And I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this item, and then we're going to make it the same gold color. Okay, I'm just going to make it this color for all the selection. Okay, done. And then the next one, I'm going to go to the dressing room, but before it I'm going to add this skirt. Okay, and I'm going to make it this color. Alright, and I'm going to go to the dressing room and go to the coats item. Okay, you're going to put on the X. Okay, this one guys. And for the color, just leave it like that. And wait, I'm going to change the toggle to on shoulder, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Mira from Kpop Demon Hunter and Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.